Do you see this phantom wallet balance? Well, all of this came from deving meme coins, not trading them. We just launched the coins with a good narrative and then we cash out on everyone, all because of deving. And in this video, I will be doing a live example on how I do it, all in this video without selling you anything. Now, I'm almost pretty sure that most people watching this video are not profitable in meme coins. That's because most of you guys are buying shitty coins that fucking gets dumped onto zero. That's exactly why I'm making this video, bro. You guys have to start deving meme coins and stop trading them. Because bro, all we have to do as devs, okay, is make a coin, find a narrative, find an idea, you launch it on chain using any DEX, right? But in today's video, we will be using a specific DEX, which I will get into more into details later on in the video. And then after that, when the coin is up, you just dump it, and you can do that over and over again as a dev. And if you want, bro, you don't need to dump it. You can just clip 25% of the profits out and let the rest ride for everyone else. It's up to you, bro, and that's exactly why I love deving. In today's video, I will be doing a live example. I will be launching a coin in front of you and then seeing how much we can make from this coin, okay? So keep watching, it's going to be insane. And if you actually want to become profitable somehow with a strategy, well, this one is for you. Keep watching, it's going to be fucking lit. And by the way, dog, this entire video is made for educational purposes only. Like any of my other videos, everything, okay, is for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice. I am just here to show you how it's done. That's it. And yeah, bro, let's get right into the fucking action. Now, most people make their coins on Pump.Fun, which launches right here, okay, in the new pairs. But the reason why you will want to be avoiding launching coins on the new pairs is because your coin will get no attention, no one will see it, and people will just think it's a scam. That's why I launch my coins in the migrate section. Here is where most people are waiting to buy your coin, okay, but it's harder to get your coins in the migrate section because to get your coin on Raydium, right, it's the same thing as migrated. To get your coin on the Raydium DEX, your Pump.Fun meme coin needs to reach a fucking $55,000 market cap. It's almost impossible, let's be honest. That's why you have to be launching coins on creatememe.io. This launchpad is special because every single coin that is launched on here goes to Raydium immediately, and a bunch of people are going to see your coin, and that right there is free promo on the spot, right? And most people do not know that it's possible to launch on Raydium, and that's exactly why if you use create meme, you will get an edge over every single other dev launching coins normally, okay? Now, to make a coin, you could either find a custom narrative on X, on social media, and then you could create a coin here manually, or you can copy trending coins and then just relaunch coins with a good narrative back to Raydium to attract more conversions into your coin, because every single coin here has a good narrative. They're all going viral, they all have been proven right, and all you have to do is vamp coins and launch it back to Raydium. I will do an example for the ones who are lost. Alright guys, now it's time for the best part of today's video, and that is actually doing a live example on how to copy a trending coin, launch it on chain, look at the chart, and then see how much we can make. Now, first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected, click on refresh, then look for a coin to copy. I like to go for anything that is decent. For example, the Bloop coin looks kind of good. The Labubu coin looks good too. I'm gonna copy the Bloop coin, then ignore the block, right? It's completely normal, like it's normal. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and then the coin will be copied. Just give it some time, bro. And then boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our coin. Now this page is where we create our pool, where we control our tokens, and where we make the coin live, okay? Now if you want to do it legit, okay, you can burn your coins, but that is up to you. I'm gonna just launch it normally like every other dev. Now for the amount of Bloop coins, click on 90%. That is what I usually do for all my launches. It's up to you, right? But I would highly recommend 90%. Right here, okay, for the amount of Solana to pair, that that is the first buy into your own coin. Okay, you are exchanging some of your Solana for supply in your own coin, but don't worry about it, bro. If you are done with the coin, well, the Solana will come back inside your Phantom wallet when you cash out, so it's not a big deal. Okay, just make sure you have a bit of SOL for this part. I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL. You can put 0.5. It's all to you. It's all depends on you. It's your choice. Okay, you are going to get it back later at the end of the day, anyways. So click on create pool. Wait for Phantom wallet to just pop up. Ignore the block. Click on proceed. Confirm or understand. Confirm. And then the coin should be created. Click on refresh and then scroll down. Scroll down, and boom, the blue coin is on live, and all your metrics for your coin will be right here, even your PNL. And if you click on refresh once again, well, as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around this amount if we cash out right now. But yeah, bro, 150 bucks is how much you're up right now. People are buying in while I'm speaking. That is not a bad shout. Click on view on Photon or go on any terminal that you want to check your coin. Let me go on full screen. It has to load in though. Just be a bit patient with your coin. Okay, the coin is on live. As you guys can see, it's going insane. A bunch of people are buying in. Just be patient. Do not cash out. Let the coin pump, and pump. Because if you clip profits right now, let's say you sell 25% of your supply right now. Well, people are going to start selling right after you because they are going to be scared. So just wait for your coin to go up, and when the market cap is high, then now you can cash out and do whatever the fuck you want. Okay. And if you do have external social medias, you can push your coin out even more if you want, but it's up to you. You are the dev. Right now, these are all organic buyers coming from on-chain volume, which is not too shabby. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out and I will show you guys how, and then show you guys proof of the payout. So be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, bro, we are at a 1.9k liquidity, 5k market cap. I think right now it's time to cash out in my professional opinion. So come back to create meme.io when you want to cash out your profits, and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bro, $1,900 is what we are going to receive in PNL if we cash out right now. So click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up real quick, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you do it. Now look, if I open my Phantom wallet, because a bunch of you guys do not believe me, bang, 1.9k is what we received in profits. Now guys, you just have to stay consistent to build out that crypto portfolio. Once you have around 10 to 20k, even a bit more, now you can go on X, right, and start paying people to chill your coin on X. There's a bunch of different ways to market your coin even further and double this, for example. Now do not get discouraged if your coin only makes $100, 50 bucks, or even break even. Just stay consistent, keep launching, and that one viral coin will hit. This, for example, was around a semi-viral coin, not too much. It all depends to the narrative. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, join my Discord, join everything, bro, and peace out to everyone. Good luck to everyone. Create meme.io.